I'm going to be answering Wassce 2019 Chemistry Objective Past Question 22. Consider the following reactions. So you have aluminium hydroxide reacting with tetraoxosulfate 6 acid to yield aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6 and water. How many moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is needed to proceed 0.5 moles of aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6? A. 0.5, B. 1.0, C. 1.5, D. 3.0. Now looking at the reaction, we see that 3 moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, that is 3 moles of H2SO4 will react with aluminium hydroxide here to give just 1 mole of aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6. So we have just 1 mole produced. So the question asks, how many moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is required to proceed 0.5 moles of aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6? So let's call that amount, that number of moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid required, as X. Let's call it X, which is our unknown number of moles. Now, if 3 moles of H2SO4 produces 1 mole of this, so I'll add 1 here, that is 3 moles produces 1 mole. How many moles will produce 0.5 moles? Now, by simple cross multiplication, X moles will be equal to 3 multiplied by 0.5, and that is equal to 1.5 moles. So this means that 1.5 moles of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid will be required to produce 0.5 mole of aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6. So our answer is C, which is 1.5 mole. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.